How is Notion AI different from ChatGPT? Okay, it has given me differences. So let me put this in a table. Yes, thank you. Now you just saw what I just did, right? I asked it to put it in a table. Will ChatGPT do that for you? No. But let's look at what it's actually telling us. Functionality. Notion AI helps users to organize their notes and tasks. It utilizes machine learning algorithms to understand the context and meaning of text entered by users. While ChatGPT generates human-like responses to text that you input. But this one, it makes you understand the context and the meaning of what you actually asked it. Now, in training data, it actually uses user-generated content to train its algorithm. But then, these people here, they are trained on a large data set of text from the internet. So it goes to the internet to actually get data to give you. It cannot give you data based on what you asked it. It can't give you response based on what you asked it or based on the text you've put there. But this one, it's based on if you have any content on this particular page and you're asking Notion AI something, it will look at the content first before it will go to the internet to look for answers. So like this my page script now here. If I want to ask Notion AI any question on this page now, like when did data place start operations? See, data place started operations in September 2018. This is not a content that Notion AI got from the internet. It is a content I provided here. We started in September 2018. This is not something ChatGPT will do for you. Let me ask Notion AI to summarize what data place is all about. Data place, this summary is too long. Make it shorter. Yes, thank you. So this is something that ChatGPT will not do for you. You tell ChatGPT to make it shorter. How? DataPlace is a data analytics company. So it first of all takes data from your page before it goes to the internet to answer your question. It will not go out of this place. So let's go back to what we were doing. Yes, so complexity. Notion AI is designed to handle relatively simple tasks such as organizing notes and tasks. ChatGPT, a more complex AI model that can generate sophisticated text responses that it can never explain for you until you type it again. Let me say I want to understand sophisticated text responses. I'm looking for I want to understand sophisticated text responses, and I bring it out here and I ask explain this. I ask Notion AI to explain this phrase and Sophisticated text responses refer to the ability of an AI model to generate complex and contextually appropriate responses to text inputs. This means that the AI model can not only produce grammatically correct sentences but also understand the meaning behind the inputs and generate a response that is relevant to the context of the conversation. Now, Notion AI is now giving you an example which ChatGPT will not give you. So, for example, a chatbot using this language model can understand the blah 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 blah. So, it's even giving you summary. Overall, the ability to generate these responses is a key feature of advanced AI language models and can greatly enhance the user experience in conversational applications. This is something that ChatGPT would not give to you. So in application, Notion AI is commonly used by individuals and small teams to manage their workflow, while ChatGPT is used to create chatbots, virtual assistants, and other conversational applications. So you see that human beings are not supposed to be using ChatGPT. It is supposed to be used to create chatbots, virtual assistants, and other conversational applications. Examples of chatbots is what we saw in Intercom's page. Example of chatbot. This is what chatbot looks like. So if you stay on this page for like few minutes or few seconds, a chatbot will show here on the page. Yes, it is here. So this is what chatbot is. So ChatGPT is supposed to be used to build this thing and not for it to be used by human beings to be asking its questions. That's what ChatGPT should be used for ideally. But you see, Notion AI is used by individuals and small teams to manage their workflow and other things that they do.